Happy Spec this week. We're going to attempt to get a little bit done on the Firebird. Um, we absolutely, or not we, I absolutely screwed up a panel the last time. I didn't like how it fit. I drilled out the spot welds that I'd created and all, and this is trash. So I went and got another one off the webs. Got an AMD. Anyway, we're going to try to get back on this and see if we can install it right. I've been watching a lot of Fitzee's Fabrications, and that guy's really got it going on. And I'm going to use his cut and butt method. It looks to be perfect for what I'm going to do here. We're going to give that a try. I'll let you go along and watch me work. guess that's it for this week. I didn't get too much done. I was able to get just an idea how the cut and buff's going to go. We'll just have to put some more time into it. There again, I'm going to be looking for houses and a place to move, so I'll try to get out a few videos as I can. Just bear with me and we'll get this going. And see you next week.